So I went to the mall today, my local mall, and I found what's called a Korean snack box called a Munch Pack. And then I also went to the mall at the same store that I bought the Munch Pack. I bought these. I think these are from Japan. I'm not really sure what they are, but they look like Oreos. And then I bought these Cheetos that I think are also from Japan. And they're already opened because I already ate some. But this is an FYE Korean snack pack Munch Pack. So we're gonna open it up. Ooh. It's got a booklet. With all kinds of stuff. It tells you what's in it. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it tells you what's in the snack pack. Ooh, all kinds of stuff. All kinds of snacks and drinks. That's cool. So there's the booklet. It's a Korean snack pack booklet. I accidentally keep covering my face. Munch Pack. And ooh, here are the snacks that come in the Munch Pack. I don't know how to pronounce any of the snack names because I'm not from Korea. I'm American. But this has a banana on it, and it says Banana Kick. Banana Kick. And it's got soccer. So I'm assuming it's a sports snack. But we're gonna open it up and try it. See how it tastes. It looks like a cheese puff. It smells like banana. It's got that strong banana smell to it. Like when you first open a banana with the peel. It smells really good though. It tastes like a banana, what are those called? A banana, Cheeto. But banana flavored. It's pretty good. Wow, it's sweet. I just got back too from eating tons of sushi, so I don't know how I'm gonna eat all these snacks along with all the sushi I just ate. But these are the banana kicks. Can't really see that from the glare, but this is really good. And there's whatever these are. I don't know how to say the name, but they look like Funyuns. They kind of look like Funyun rings. We're gonna open them up. Can't get them open. Ugh! Oh, crap. Smells like dog food. Like you get at the pet store. This is what they look like. It doesn't taste bad. But the banana taste is still in my mouth from the banana kicks. So it doesn't taste good either. There's a bunch of Chinese wording on the back that I can't read. It's all Chinese. it tastes dry. Then there's these. I can't pronounce the name, but there's a chili on the front. I'm gonna try them. It's got the same packaging as this one. Practically. Easier to open. Smells like dog food too. That's what they look like. It's got a red like seasoning to it. It says they're supposed to be hot. It says on here they're supposed to be hot. But it doesn't taste hot. Oh wait. I'm feeling the hot. A little bit. Feeling the hot. It's an aftertaste. Oh, it's hitting my throat. The hotness is hitting my throat. Here's this. It's a chocolate biscuit, is what it says. Here's the packaging. We're gonna open it up and try it. Here's what it looks like. Oh, they're little biscuits. That is pretty good. I like it. It's got that nice chocolatey taste after I just had that hot, fiery stuff in my mouth. Then there is this, an orange tart cookie. Packaging, Chinese or Japanese, I don't know which one. It says it's supposed to be Korean. Actually, I think I'm wrong. I think it's Korean. Oh, here's what it looks like. It's kind of weird looking. And it's supposed to be a biscuit. The orange is pretty good. I like the orange flavoring, whatever's inside here. Yum. We're not going to finish that. There's this. Whatever these are. I don't know what these are. Gotta see if I can get it open real quick. Should have brought like scissors or something. I didn't. It says it is, I think it's apple flavored. They look like Hi-Chews. This is what it comes in. A little thing. Gonna open it up. It looks like a version of a Hi-Chew. It's hard. I can't even bite it. Ah, it's getting stuck in my teeth. Tastes like apple. It's pretty good too. It's so hard to chew though. It can get stuck in my teeth. We're not gonna try to finish that. There's this thing, which I guess is a churro. type thing. I'm not sure. It looks like a churro. It has a weird smell to it. Like a brown, like a cinnamon, brown sugar smell. Take a bite. It tastes exactly like a churro. Cinnamon churro. Pretty good. This is a noodle snack, but we're not going to try it because I'm pretty sure you have to cook it. So this one we're not even going to try. We're just going to show the packaging. And there's Ayaka donut. What the heck is this? This is what it looks like. Oh, yuck. What? It's like hard. Can't even bite it. Disgusting. Brownie chocolate cookie. Can never get anything open. It smells pretty good. This is what it looks like. Mmm. That's pretty good. It's really dry though. And the last item I have is a drink. I have no idea what this says. You can't even see it. But it's a drink. Contains 0 fruit juice. Splatted on me. I don't even know. It says melon. Melon carbonated drink. We're gonna try it. It's like pop. Fizzy pop. It's a soda beverage. So, we're gonna rate what I tried from 1 to 10. This drink is probably, I'm gonna say, out of 10, it's probably an 8. This, out of 10, is probably a 5. This is, out of 10, probably a 3. I'm rating this, out of 10, a 0, because it tastes real bad. It's probably the worst item out of this whole box. This cookie that came in this package is pretty good. It's probably like a good 8. This churro was also pretty good, so it was like an 8. These were hard to chew, so I'm going to give it like a 5 out of 10. These banana kicks were also pretty good, so I want to give it like a 6 out of 10. And then this was pretty good too. I'm going to give it a 7. If you like this video and you want me to do another unboxing, go to the mall and get another box of a different kind of snacks from a different country. Comment down below and I will do another video like this. Bye.